Welcome to Inspiring Inputs. I hope these quotes about positivity will help you get through anything. Stay inspired, stay blessed. Do not fear to be your true self, for everything you want wants you. It's your place in the world. It is your life. Go on and do all you can with it and make it the life you want to live. You may be disappointed if you fail, but you are doomed if you don't try. Treat yourself as you are, and you will remain as you are. Treat yourself as you could be, and you will become what you should be. %80 of success is showing up. As you start to walk on the way appears. There are many things of which a wise man might wish to be ignorant. You drown not by falling into a river, but by staying submerged in it. You can't fall if you don't climb, but there is no joy in living your whole life on the ground. It is not what you say out of your mouth that determines your life. It's what you whisper to yourself that has the most power. If you look at what you have in life, you will always have more. If you look at what you don't have in life, you will never have enough. You get to decide where your time goes. You can either spend it moving forward, or you can spend it putting out fires. You decide, and if you don't decide, others will decide for you. We are built to conquer the environment, solve problems, achieve goals, and we find no real satisfaction or happiness in life without obstacles to conquer and goals to achieve. Remember your dreams and fight for them. You must know what you want from life. There is just one thing that makes your dream become impossible: the fear of failure. The body is the servant of the mind. It obeys the operations of the mind, whether they be deliberately chosen or automatically expressed. To keep the body in good health is a duty. Otherwise, we shall not be able to keep our mind strong and clear. If you don't take care of your body, where then will you live? To the degree you give others what they need, they will give you what you need. A truly rich man is one whose children run into his arms when his hands are empty. Hope you like the content. Please share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Your comments and suggestions are welcome. Have a great day ahead. Good luck to you.